मैं तो क्या थोड़ा अच्छा रहेगा
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
मैसेज आ जाना खाली मेरा नंबर इसका नंबर है हाँ जैसे व्हाट्सएप करके ऐसे आ जाओ आजकल जुड़ गया है गलत है चाल
Wait for 5 minutes, then we'll start. Yeah, now HCF is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Now division method, it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
No doubts now. Even if 3 numbers are given, you can find out HCF by long division
Yes.
and
Yes.
by
Ma'am,
division also.
ma'am,
Yeah.
in long division method, can we like how to? I mean, can we in 4 numbers like should, the rule is the same, right?
The rule is same.
Like
First you will
first 2
find
numbers.
numbers,
Yeah,
then
the HCF for 2 number with the third number,
yes,
and then that with the fourth number.
Yes, same rule will go on. 5 number also same rule continues. Okay, the rule is always the same. Okay, let us wait some more time. Okay, Monday you remember now we'll have a little bit revision on digestive system and circulatory system. Okay, so just go through the chapter. We'll have
I had a question in respiratory system. Can I ask it right now?
right now. Okay, ask.
Can you tell me what is the function of the diaphragm?
Diaphragm is a muscle, and because of the diaphragm only, because of the contraction and expansion of diaphragm, the lungs expand. Okay, so what happens? First step is the brain. Now we are doing nervous system, and I told you brain's function is that some of the function our body perform without thinking also, right? So that is breathing. Breathing means what happens? The brain commands the diaphragm to contract. Contract means goes down. When it goes down, what will happen? Lungs will expand. When lungs expand, so volume increases, pressure decreases. So outside air comes in. So that is the function of diaphragm, of expansion and contraction of diaphragm is a muscle. It expands and contracts so that the lungs contract and expand. And because of the contraction and expansion of lungs, what happens? Air comes in and moves out. Understood?
That means we are not inhaling and exhaling. It is the diaphragm which is doing this.
Correct. We are not inhaling. It is the diaphragm which pulls down, which contracts, because of which lungs expands and because of which air moves in. It is not the ulta way that we are inhaling. That is why lungs expand, and the other way around is not true. It is the other way around, that diaphragm contracts, then lungs expands, and then air moves in. This is the process. Okay, then diaphragm expand, then lungs contract, and air moves out. Got it? Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so everybody has joined? Okay, still Ahmad and Humaira, they are left. Okay, we'll start with our puzzle and then we'll see. Let them join. Muazzam, Mudabbir, Sakleen, Munif, Farhana, Amina, Abdullah. All of you are here, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Today we are going to start with the new section, which is power and exponent. But before this is a puzzle that we are going to do. Keep your mind charged. Okay, so in which direction? This is a particular pattern. Okay, the pattern is going on. Just observe what pattern is there, and you have to fill this missing direction. Missing direction is in which direction? This one is north, this one is east, this one is south, and this one is west. Okay, these directions are clear? Yeah, yes, Afia. You found the answer? Unmute yourself, Safia. I cannot hear. It's not audible, Safia. Unmute.
Now?
Yeah. Yeah, tell me that.
Wait, ma'am.
I always give the answer first. Okay, tell me the answer.
Dad.
You have to tell me the direction. See, this is south. Then after south is east. Then this is north.
This side, ma'am. This one.
This one means
Ma'am, west.
your left or my left?
This. You see the arrow?
No, I can't see.
Okay, ma'am. Fine. And the last arrow and first line like this, ma'am, that will only come in between also.
You
So
tell
the
me.
last second line.
This arrow is
On the
south.
first
You tell me the name. Huh? This is south. This is east. This is north. And this is west. Out of any
West.
west. That means right hand side, right? So, okay. Any other answer? What pattern are you finding it out? What pattern is there?
Ma'am, here the west side is not there.
Come on, everybody, sing with me. Smelly cat, smelly cat.
Ma'am, I found the pattern, ma'am. See, ma'am.
Pattern. Safia, just mute yourself. One by one. Yeah, Munir. Yeah.
See, ma'am. In the second line, in vertical, ma'am. Second line, first arrow is down, and in the third line, it is up, and then in second line, it is again to the west, and then in third line, it is to the east. It is opposite.
See, what is the pattern? Pattern means it has to be repeated regularly. That is the pattern. So this pattern should be repeated here also. So that means you are going on the wrong way. See, because the same pattern is not coming over here, right? So this way is not the pattern. That means some other way is the pattern. The direction is different. Anybody else is finding the answer, or should I tell you the hint? Should I give you the hint?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone tried? Muazzam, Mudabbir, Sakleen? Getting the answer or not? Not. Okay. Okay, let me.
Ma'am,
give
will
you
it be
one.
south? South? Yes, ma'am. I think it will be south because in the last line.
Yes, it is south only. Yes, Ahmad, downwards is correct. South. Now, who will explain me the pattern? Which direction is the pattern going? It is south. How it goes? See, I'll explain. This is south, then east, then north, then south. So you have to same pattern you have to follow. This is west, then after west is east. So till here there is no repetition. Okay, this pattern now here, from here it repeats. South, then see east, then north, then after north is south, this pattern, then this west, then this east. This is second line completed. Now again it starts south, this thing, south, west, east. Now from here again it will start. No, from here. This comes here. This is the last one. Got it? What is the sequence? The sequence goes like this. And the sequence is south, east, north, south, west, and east. So that means this much long is the sequence. And then from here it repeats. Got it, everyone? So this is the pattern which is followed over here, and you get a south over here.
So now listen to my story, what happened. Really, we had
Sakia.
I was sleeping. And I was
Everyone, please mute yourself. Okay, one small topic was left in HCF LCM. This is also one important topic sometimes for two numbers, but this is true only for two numbers. Okay, so for two numbers. Okay, So for two numbers, what is the rule? Product of two numbers is equal to their HCF into their LCM. So product of their HCF and LCM will give the product of two numbers. So any two number, if you take, for example, in this formula form, you will write HCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. Okay, so this is the relationship between HCF and LCM. Just remove this arrow. Today I'm not the host, I think so.
Ma'am, still you can do it, ma'am, because it is your screen.
But no, erase option is not there. Let me see. I can erase.
You're the host now.
I'm the host now.
Yes, ma'am.
Just now I checked, I was not there. Yeah. Okay. Just a moment. I'll just stop share and share. Okay. Okay. So suppose HCF and LCM of two numbers are given as 18 and 1782. One number is 162. You can find the other number. Three things are given. One is unknown. You can find the unknown number. How will you find? Using this formula, HCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. Okay, so this is your formula. Put the values. HCF is given. HCF is how much? 18. LCM is 1782. One number is 162 and into second number, which is unknown. So how will you find this number? This 162 will go here and get divided. Okay, that is the way you do now. Whatever number is multiplied over here, if you take this second number as x, then x is equal to 18 into 1782 divided by 162. Answer is 198. Okay, so this way, this is just the formula. You have to remember this formula and you can find out the answer using any three known and one unknown. You can find out the number. Okay, for example, now you can do this question. Highest common factor and the lowest common multiple of two numbers are 825 and 25 respectively. Respectively means HCF is 825 and LCM is 25. Opposite, two numbers are 18 and 25. If one of the two number is 275, find the other number. Actually, they have reversed it. So how will you do? Write down the formula and give me the answer. HCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. So one number is 275. What is the answer?
Ma'am, I'll need to see the rule again, ma'am.
See the rule. Okay, I'm writing the rule. Okay, just
I didn't understand.
see this formula. You have to just learn this formula. HCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. This formula you have to use. So just write down in your notebook this formula. HCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number, because this is an important formula. Now using this formula, you have to solve the question.
See, again,
So
I
written,
just,
all of you have written this
Shruti
formula.
ma'am,
and we'll see something
what is the
nice.
heading?
So today we're going to do two
Heading
things.
is
We're going to learn about
relationship
nouns and
between
we're going to learn the
HCF and
song.
LCM. Written now over here. Okay. So all of you have written this formula, HCF into LCM, and this is only true for two numbers. If it is three number, then you cannot use this formula. So this is true only for two numbers. Written? Okay. So next, this is your question. HCF and LCM is given 825 and 25. So one of the two number is 275. What will be the answer? Just first write down the formula. HCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. So first number is 275. What is the second number? First you will write like this. HCF suppose my numbers are x into y, so I will write x into y. Now putting the values, HCF and LCM is equal to 825 into, and don't multiply over here. What you have to do, see how I am doing, 825 into 25 is equal to, one number is 275. I have to find the other number. So my y will be equal to, don't multiply over here, just write down 825 into,
And what number did you write beside HCF multiplied by LCM?
yeah, HCF into LCM is equal to x into y. HCF की value 25 होनी चाहिए, LCM is 825 is equal to x, one value is given, one number is 275. Now y की value 275 goes here and gets divided. So 275 over here. Now you can cancel. You know how to bring the fraction in lowest form, okay?
Yes.
We will cancel it down. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are, 5 2s are, sorry. Again 5 5s are 25. Where is it? Eraser. Okay, 5 2s are 20, 5 5s are 25, again 5 5s are 25. And here it will be 5 5s are 25. Again cancel 5, 5 11s are. Okay, now this is divisible by 11, just check. Yes, 11 7s are 77. What is the remainder? 3 and 2, 5. So 11 5s are 55. So your answer you are getting is 75. Anybody has got this answer? 75 is the second number. Now just see how I have done. If you don't understand, you can ask.
I've got 70.
Ma'am, I also got, ma'am, 75.
Yeah. Everyone got this answer? Amina, is it clear? Mera, is it clear to you? Okay, so one more question I'm giving. Now do it on your own. I'm erasing this. I'm erasing. Safia understood this, how to do? Don't multiply over here, because it will take longer time. So first, just bring 275 over here and then cancel out and you will get this answer. No need for longer multiplication and division. Just cancel the denominator and numerator. Yeah, Safia, you're saying something? Unmute and say.
I didn't understand how you got 75.
See, I just cancelled out. First, I cancelled 25 and 275. So by 5, I can cancel out. You know how to bring any number in lowest form.
Listen to me. Listen.
Yeah.
So that way, only 5 5s are 25 and 275 55 times. Then again, I cancelled 5 and 55. So 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5.
Ma'am, there is background noise, ma'am.
5 11 to 55.
Yeah. Yes, Abdullah.
There is background noise, I was telling.
Yeah, Safia, just mute yourself. Whenever you ask question, unmute and then ask. So is it clear now, Safia? Now 11, I got cancelled with 825 and this is 75 is the answer. Is it clear? Anyway, you can cancel out anyway. You can cancel out 825 and 275 also. I started with smaller one, 25, and then I cut it with 825. Okay. So anyway, you can do, because multiplication is commutative. So any one number you can take.
Ma'am, I did not understand this method.
This what method? Multiplication?
No, ma'am, the question of this.
Listen, everybody.
Ma'am, so we are dividing 75 and 11. 825 and 11.
Zainab, tell me your favorite.
825.
And 11 we are dividing.
Yes, 11. Because 11 ones are 11 and 11 75s are 825. So denominator all gone, numerator only 75 is left. So that is 75 is the answer. Okay. Yeah, Amina, what were you asking? The question you don't understand?
Yes.
See, whenever this is just this simple thing, the question will be given like HCF and LCM, and one number will be given, and it will be asked that find out the other number. Or HCF will be given, two numbers will be given, and they will ask LCM. LCM you can easily find by two numbers also. But if HCF is given, use this formula: HCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. If X and Y are two numbers, so this is a formula. You don't have to understand anything. This is just a formula that you have to learn. And if HCF and LCM both are given in the question, then you have to use this formula. Okay, so that is the trick, that in the question when HCF and LCF both is given, so you have to use this formula to find out the other number. Is it clear? It is a reverse way. See, usually what we do, the numbers are given and we find HCF and LCM, right? But here HCF and LCM is given and one number is given and you have to find the other number. Is it clear? Now is it clear, Amina?
And with this formula, we have to find the other number.
Yes. Using this formula, you have to find the other number. Okay. So just try another question. The product of two number is 120. Product means first number into second number is 120. XY ki value is given. HCF is 6. So what is their LCM? So what will be the formula that you will use? Same formula, HCF into LCM is equal to, this is the product of two number, first number into second number. So product is directly given 120. Okay. So product of two number is given and HCF is given. LCM.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah. What is the answer?
It will be HCF into LCM, which means 6x is equal to 120.
Correct. So what is X?
120 upon 6, which will be 20.
Correct. So LCM is 20. Okay. So write down, everyone, do this question in your notebook. But always write the formula. Why do we write the formula? So that we remember it. To learn the formula, we write the formula always. And in exams also, in board exams also, they expect that you write the formula, which formula you are using. So always, whenever you use a formula, write down that formula that you are using.
By the way, ma'am, is this IGCSE or whatever it is in India? I don't know.
In IGCSE syllabus is same, only the question paper pattern is different. In IGCSE, the paper pattern is different, little application based. In CBSE, the paper pattern is not that application based, but the formula and the diagram, these things are asked in CBSE. In ICSE, similar pattern is there, just little bit of things, different things.
And we have to find the LCM of 120.
No, see, what is it? Product is 120. Product means what? This value. First number into second number. So what is your answer? You will write. I'm just writing the this thing. Sorry, I'm just writing without formula. I'm just writing the answer. Okay, you will write 120 is the product, which is equal to 6 into LCM. Correct? 6 into LCM. I'm writing it as X. Okay, so X is equal to, what will happen? 6 will go here and get divided.
120 divided by 6.
So 120 divided by 6. So answer is 20. You will cancel it out. 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12 and 0. So answer is 20. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Should we go to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the next question. HCF and LCM of the number is 12 and 600 respectively. If one of the number is 24, then find the other number. So this question you have to do like the first question we did. Same way you have to do this question. Anybody is facing problem in understanding this concept, please ask.
Wait a minute, not
Ma'am,
Umema
the
is
second
right.
is 120 upon 6, na?
If you shout, I'm not listening to you.
Yes, 120 upon 6 will be the LCM.
Why you cannot see white, Umema?
Then we'll cancel it.
Yes, 6
No,
ones
no,
are
the
6,
screen is
620
yes,
is
the screen is difficult, Umema. Can you use black itself? So we're gonna
Ma'am,
put black for
I
girls
got 300.
and blue for boys. I'm gonna
Ma'am,
open
the
the
answer is
annotation. We
300,
have to
ma'am.
circle
300.
all the nouns
Yes.
only, okay?
Safia,
At the end, I will
Mute.
count how
Safia,
many
Mute,
blacks
mute.
and how many blues, and then I'll see how many of you got it right or wrong.
Safia,
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute, I'm
please
going to
mute
open the
yourself.
annotation now.
Okay, I'll mute.
If you can't annotate it,
I'm not able to mute. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so HCF and LCM of the number is 12 and 600. Who has got the answer?
Ma'am, me. 300.
Abdullah,
Yes,
you have
300.
got. Okay,
300.
anyone else? Yes, Mudabbir.
allow everybody to annotate, and your annotation time starts now.
Farhana,
Ma'am,
Safia,
it
you
is
got the
300.
I'm not doing it. I'll just show the solution. You can see the solution. Take
Yes.
one number x as 24, other number is y. So answer is xy into is equal to 12 into 600. So 24 into y, 12 into 600, y is equal to 600. Okay. Product means first number into second number is given. So first number, one number is given,
Ma'am,
which is
I got
24.
300.
Yes, 300 is the answer, Muni. Amina, did you get the answer?
Now I'm calculating it.
Ma'am, the second answer is 20.
If you know noun, how much
Yes,
you do
second
not
answer is
understand now.
20.
That's very
Third
important,
answer
okay?
we are doing.
I saw some of you circling, say dancing, okay? Dance.
Yeah, Ahmad, did you get the answer? Humaira? Can we go to the next slide? Starting with our topic today. Okay. Okay. So we are doing power and exponent.
Wait a minute.
Okay, we are doing powers and exponent. Now, what is power exponent? This is a very important topic. It appears to be small, but it is in simplification. This is very important topic to use powers and exponent, because as you go to higher classes, you are dealing with bigger numbers. So bigger numbers are not written like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 10-digit number. You cannot write like this, right? So you have to write in the power of 10. So that is why powers and exponents is the very important topic in maths. Now, what is exponent? Any number, suppose I'm writing 2 raised to 5. So this 2 is called as base, and this 5 is called as exponent. Always remember, this is called as base, and this is called as exponent, or radical also it is called. Okay, and how do we say this number? 2 raised to 5, how will you say? 2 raised to 5 you will say, or 2 to the 5th power you will say. Okay, like here it is written 2 cube, or 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 in common language always we say it as 2 cube, and anything raised to 2 is called as square. So 2 raised to 2 is called as 2 square. 2 raised to 3 is called as 2 cube. Okay, we generally don't say 2 raised to 3. We always say 2 cube, or 5 raised to 3. It will be 5 cube. Okay, now but what is it? Why do we use exponents? Okay, 2 raised to 3, or 2 raised to 2, or 2 raised to 5. Actually, what is it? 2 raised to 5 means you are multiplying 2 5 times. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It is different from 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, what is the difference? Suppose,
Ma'am, this is
2
multiplication, ma'am.
yes, this is multiplication, and 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 also you can write in the form of
In 10.
multiplication.
10 times, ma'am. You have
It
to
is
write it
10.
10 times.
How do you write? 2 into 5. Correct?
Yes.
See what I'm telling you.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah. Tell
You
me.
told you'll get higher numbers with more zeros. So, for example, if it is like 2 raised to 10, can't we just write it 10 into 2?
2 raised to 10 is not equal to 10 raised to 2. 2
No,
raised to
no.
10,
I mean 10 into 2.
10 into 2 you're saying. 10
Yeah.
into 2 you cannot write in the form of power, right? 10 into 2, how will you write? You will write 10 into 2 as 2. First you will break 2 into 5, that is 10 into 2, correct? So this can be written in the form of power. This can be written as 2. How many times you are multiplying? 2 times. So it will be 2 square into 5. So in the form of power, you will write this number as this. You remember the prime factorization method? You remember prime factorization? So when big number, you used to find the prime factors. It was 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So many 2's were there, then so many 3's were there. So instead of writing number of times, this method is used. This is a shortcut way of writing a larger number or repeated multiplication of numbers. How do we write in short form? So in shorter form, instead of writing this whole or this number, we write it like this in the powers. Okay, can you find out a prime factor of 375? Just find out, everyone, prime factor of 375. What is the value, everyone? I'm also finding. Yes, anyone has got the answer?
All these are now.
This is a power and exponents only, na? Prime factorization. So
No,
we
you just
write in the heading of prime power and exponents.
correct. Power and exponent. Okay, anyone has got the answer?
I got. Ma'am,
Yes, what is it answer? What is it, Saklain?
125.
No.
Ma'am,
What did I say?
Ma'am, I got it.
5 into 5.
Into
How many
3.
fives? How many fives?
5 3 times and 3 1.
3 times and 1 3.
3 1. Okay. So 375, how will you write? I told you to find out prime factorization of 375. You will write it as 5. Prime factors, you remember, we write it in multiplication form. Okay. So 5 into 5 into 5. This is the answer you got, into 3, correct? This is the answer you got. So how do we write it? We will write it as 5 cube into 3. Instead of writing this long expression, I will write 375 is equal to 5 raised to 3 into 3. 1 power 1, we don't write anything. Okay, so this is the one method. So that is why I gave you one example of prime factorization, that in prime factorization, usually you get repeated multiplication. So wherever you are having repeated multiplication, we use this base and exponent. That means we always use exponent. Okay, is it clear, everyone? What is base, what is exponent, and how do we pronounce this? And where do we use it? We use it wherever we need repeated multiplication and we don't want to write the whole answer. Suppose I don't want to write 375, so I will write 5 cube into 3. Okay, depending on the use where it is required. Is it clear, everyone? This is clear, what is power, what is exponent, and what is base. Okay. Okay, moving to the next. Now you just see this. 2 raised to 5 will not be equal to 2 into 5. Because what is 2 into 5? 2 into 5 is repeated addition. So repeated addition is multiplication, and repeated multiplication is expressed in the power in the form of exponents. Okay, so these two are different things. 2 into 5 means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 5 times 2 you are adding, and when you are multiplying 2 5 times, it is 2.
You are multiplying 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2.
Correct. So that is not equal. So usually children do this mistake. So that is a common mistake children do. So that is why I have written it here. Then 2 raised to 5 is not equal to 10, which is 5 into 2. 2 raised to 5 is equal to how much? 32. Okay. Now suppose this, can you see this question 27 upon how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 zeros, that means you will write it is 10 multiplied 10 times. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 times if you multiply 10, you will get 10 zeros. Okay. If you multiply 10 2 times, 10 into 10, how many zeros you are getting?
1.
10 into 10 is what, Amina?
100.
2 0 with it.
20 means what is it? 100?
100.
Yeah. Amina, just tell me 10 into 10 into 10. What is the answer?
200.
No, multiply
300.
10 into 10. Yeah, Safia. 10 into 10 into 10. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 30.
You are adding, Amina. That's what I'm telling you. I am multiplying. You don't have to add.
Ma'am, 1000 because 10 times the 100, 100
Yes.
times the 1000.
Yes. So
Yes.
see, when you are multiplying zeros, the zeros are added over. When you are adding 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. But 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000.
It's
Is
not
it clear,
your
Amina?
fault.
Amina, is it clear?
Love it. You
100.
obviously
Yeah,
another
is it
favorite.
clear? 10 into 10 into 10.
1000.
Yes, it is 1000. Farhana,
The 3
10,
zeros.
10 into 10 into 10. What is the value?
1000.
10 into 10 into 10 into 10. How many tens I multiplied? 4. So what will be the value? How many zeros will be there? Yamuni,
Hey, now
Farhana, did you get how many zeros will be there? I'm multiplying.
Can I say?
this is what I want.
Yeah, Safia.
In your
10,000, ma'am.
classrooms, okay?
Yes,
So
10.
4 zeros.
The ones
Correct. 4 zeros. So if you are multiplying 10 4 times, you are getting 4 zeros, which is 10,000. So if I multiply, I'm getting over here, how many zeros are there? I have 10 zeros over here. So that means here 10 is multiplied how many times, Amina? If 10 zeros are there, then 10 is multiplied how many times?
10 times.
10 times. So what is the power of 10 then? The number of multiplication, that is the power. Okay. If I multiply 10
2 into 5.
Okay, thank you. Then I will
2 into 5.
2 raised to the power of 5.
Otherwise, the ones who have
We are not doing here. We are doing here. See, 10. 10 I have multiplied 10 times. So what will be the power? Power will be, what will be the power, Muni? 10 raised to 10.
give you 5 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Chit chat with your
10
friend.
raised to
Do you
10.
want to make a should I
We'll have to multiply 10, 10 into 10 times 10.
Yes. So in the denominator, you have 10 zeros. So 10 zeros you will not write. Instead of 10 zeros, you know that 10 zeros are there. That means 10 is multiplied 10 times. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 times multiplication is there. So you will write it as 10 raised to 10. Okay. So 27 upon 10 raised to 10. Now, what is in denominator, whenever some power is there and I want to bring it in the numerator, it becomes negative power. Okay. So 10 raised to 10, when I bring it in the numerator, it becomes 10 raised to minus 10. Is it clear? I will tell you, I will just explain you the rule also, the negative power rule, how we use it. Whenever in the denominator you have some power, and see, in the denominator it becomes very complicated if you have a bigger number or any number in the denominator. We always want that the there should be no denominator. That means only one should be the denominator. Always it is better to solve the problems like that. So what we do, I will bring this 10 raised to 10 in the numerator, but if I bring it, the value will change, so I will make it negative. So, and if suppose any power is in the numerator and I want to bring it in the denominator, I will again put a negative sign on the power. Is it clear? So if the power 10 raised to 10 is in the denominator, I'll bring it in the numerator and put it with a negative 10. minus 10. Okay, but minus 10, you don't know how to multiply minus 10, correct? So you have to bring it in the denominator and multiply 10 raised to plus 10. Positive powers are easy to calculate, negative powers you cannot calculate. You have to reciprocal and then you can calculate. Okay, is it clear? So 27 into 10 raised to minus 10, and I want to make it 2.7. So what I will do, 2.7 into minus 10 is what? Zeros are in the denominator. 10 zeros are in the denominator. Okay. Now, if suppose this is in the numerator, how many zeros are there? Can you count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 zeros are there. So what I will write? 36 into
11.
11.
10 raised to 11. So this is because 11 zeros are there. So 36 into how many zeros? 10 raised to 11. So 10 is multiplied 11 times. 10 is not added 11 times. Okay. It is, there is difference between addition and multiplication. When it is added that many times, then that means if suppose 10 is added 11 times, what you will do? 11 into 10. Matlab 110 will be the answer. But when 10 is multiplied 10 times, 11 times, your answer is 10 raised to 11. Okay, is it clear? Okay, next is, now can you see minus 2 raised to 4? So just tell me what is the base and what is the exponent over here? What is the base?
Base is minus
The
2
base is minus 2 and
and
exponent is 4.
Okay, who is telling base is minus 2 and exponent is
Me.
Safia? You are also telling the same thing? Fly is disturbing me. Yeah. Farhana, you're also telling the same thing. Okay. And anyone is giving me different answer? No? Okay. One more I'm giving you. Just tell me. Now, here tell me. What
Base
is
is the minus 2 and exponent
Yes,
is the
base
4.
is the minus
Yes,
2 and
base
exponent
is
is
minus 2
4.
and exponent is 4.
same answer you're giving me for both the thing? Same
Yes.
answer?
Yes.
But there is a difference, and these two are these two, that means same answer is there, that means values will also be same, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
But
No.
are the values same?
It has a bracket, the second.
So the value is different. How it is different? Let me explain. This is minus 2 raised to 4. Okay, first I will do this. Minus 2 raised to 4. That means the answer is minus 2. What you will do? Minus 2 multiplied 4 times. Okay, minus 2 into minus 2. Whenever you write minus, you have to put a bracket, because it is better to write a bracket like this. Here I have not put a bracket over here. So here it is different. Into minus 2. What will be the answer? Just find out the answer. If I am multiplying 2 minus 2 4 times, what will be the answer? What is the answer?
16.
Plus 16, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
plus
plus
16.
16.
Yeah, because minus minus plus, minus minus plus. Now here see what is the answer. Minus, and here it is actually minus 2 into, only 2 ka power is 4, not minus ka power. Agar minus ka power hota, तो I should have written like this. It is only एक sign minus hai and rest all are positive. So it is actually, the answer is minus
16.
16. Okay. So basically this is what? This is minus 1 into, minus 1 is hidden. Minus 1 into 2 into 2 into 4 times 2 you have to do. Okay. So here in this case, your base is 2 and power is 4. And here your base is minus 2 and power is 4. Can you see the answer is also different? Is it clear? So this is a common mistake that we do. Whenever bracket is not there, that means minus sign you have to put, and you have to just find out 2 raised to 4, which is 16. And if you are putting minus 2 in bracket, that means ye pure minus 2 is a base. So you have to multiply full minus 2 4 times. Is it clear? The doubt is clear, everyone? Yeah, Farhana, is it clear now? Amina?
Yes.
Okay. So, okay, let us see one more. Minus 3 raised to minus 3. Now, what is the base? What is the
Ma'am, the base
The base is minus 3 and exponent is 3.
Again, you are telling same
the
mistake.
base is, ma'am, the base is 3 and the exponent is 3.
Exponent is.
Yes, ma'am.
Here the base is, what is base?
Here
Minus
the
3.
base is minus
Minus
3.
3 and
Yes.
exponent is 3.
And the exponent is 3. Is it clear? So again, here also the same difference is there. This, what will be the answer here? Minus 27 is the answer in this case. And here also
Plus
you have,
27.
no, here
So
also,
there also minus 27.
here also you will have minus 27. See, power is odd. So minus into minus plus, but one more minus is there. So here also, although the answer is same, but the question is different. Okay? Because यहाँ पे base is 3, power is 3, यहाँ पे base is minus 3 and exponent is 3. Is it clear? Although answer is same, but the question is different. Do you understand this? Have you
Yes.
understood this question?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one more I'm giving you. Minus 1 raised to 2000. So here, what is the base? What is the exponent?
Minus 1 is the base and 1
One
is the base and 2000
Thousand is the exponent.
Exponent.
See, I'm not putting over here. Bracket is not there. So 1 is the base and 2000
One
is
is the exponent.
Minus 1, na, ma'am.
Because there is no bracket, that's why it is 1.
no bracket. Now only 1 you are multiplying 2000 times. And minus you will put as it is. After finding 1 raised to 2000, you will put a minus sign. Okay. And minus 1 raised to 301. What is the
Base
base?
is minus 1 and exponent is 301.
Okay. Now, can you give me the answer for this part? Minus 1 raised to 2000. What
Minus
is
2000. Minus
Plus
2000. No,
Plus 2000, ma'am.
no, it will be minus.
it will be minus
It
1.
will be minus.
it will be a
Yes.
minus, that is sure. Answer is minus because you are putting
Minus
sign after
2000.
finding
Minus.
out.
No.
What is 1
No.
raised to
It
2000?
is minus 1 only.
Yes.
It will be minus 1 only.
Answer will be minus 1 only. 1 का कुछ भी power डालो, 1 का power infinity also if you put, answer will be 1 only. Because 1 into 1 into 1, कितनी भी बार you are doing, you will get.
Yes.
Okay. So your answer will be minus 1. But here, what is the answer?
Yeah.
300.
Here it will be.
Here also.
Here it will be plus 1.
Why?
No, it will be
No,
minus
ma'am,
1.
it will be
No, and
minus 1
Minus
only.
1, minus
Ma'am,
1.
both the places is minus 1.
Yes.
Minus 1.
Okay, I'll give you the rule. And here, what will be the answer?
Here it will be
It
plus
will
1.
be plus
Plus
1.
Plus 1.
Plus.
See, whenever the power is even, answer will be positive, and the power is odd, answer will be negative. Except this place, this is minus sign put outside. Bracket is not there. I'm telling you, for a negative number, if exponent is used, check the exponent. Exponent is odd. This is 301 is an odd number, right? 301 is odd number. So you will get a negative answer. So what will be the answer? Minus 1. And here the answer will be plus 1. Because 300 is even number. Is it clear? So whenever a negative number has even exponent, your answer will be positive, and a negative number having an odd exponent, answer will be negative. Is it clear? So that's why I gave you 1, because 1 ka koi bhi power do, answer will be 1 only. Only thing is minus 1 you are taking, odd power, answer is minus 1. Minus 1 ka even power, answer is positive.
1.
Yeah, positive 1. Okay? Till here, it is clear?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll do till here only and we'll continue it in the next class. Next class,
Ma'am, this is the easiest chapter, I think, ma'am.
yeah?
Easiest topic.
This is very
Yes.
easy. If you understand, but there are
Easy
certain
and important.
easy, important, and it is used in simplification of expressions. So you have to remember the rules, exponent rules. Few rules are there that you have to remember. Have you done it earlier? Exponent rules? Anyone
Yes.
has done it?
I have done it, ma'am.
Okay. Multiplication and that rule, everything?
Everything.
Multiplication,
Everything.
division, okay. Anyone else has done?
But I forgot everything, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Hana, you have also done. Saklain has done. Okay. So we are going to repeat all the rules and then we will use it in simplification. Okay. So that's all for today's class.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Where is it? Okay, bye everyone. See you on Monday's class with revision.